Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. Today I'm making mac and cheese in the Instant Pot. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. So first I'm going to pour in my elbows with 4 cups of water. I'm also using 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to mix everything in really well, and I'm going to pressure cook my macaroni for 4 minutes. Macaroni will be kind of stuck together. You just got to stir it around really good. At this point, I'm just adding in all of my ingredients, and the exact measurements are in the description box below. So once you have everything mixed in really good and your cheese has melted, then you're all done. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like, comment, and turn on your post notifications. Thanks for watching.